Hello everyone. Today I'll be opening this AirPods third generation. I don't know if you can see if it's focusing or not. Probably not, but it's the third gen, you know. So I'm just gonna open. They have these two tabs here, so it's the first time for me as well. So we've got the pamphlets, information in here. A lot of information here. Lots. And then inside we have the AirPods, you know. It just comes straight out, you know. And then we have the cable, charging cable here as well. Yep, that's about it, I think. Yeah, charging cable there. So they have this thing. I'm just going to open this. How do you open this? It's the first time for me doing this as well, so I'm just figuring things out, you know. Oh, it's like this. So open that part. So, oh, there's two parts to that. Okay, stick it back on here. So yeah, this is basically what it looks like, you know. Just the back, and then there's a charging port, lightning charging port, I think, for that cable. Or you could put it on the MagSafe, you know, if you have a MagSafe charger, you just put it on that thing, then you don't have to plug that cable in. Let's see what's inside. I'm just going to open this now. Okay, this is what it looks like, you know. So the light's already flashing. I don't know what's happening with that, you know. It's interesting for me. So I think that's about it actually, really. Oh, I might take them out and actually take them out and see what they actually look like. I'll take them out first. Put this in here. So this is basically what it looks like, you know, quite small compared to the second generation. It used to be a bit longer here, but now it's gone a bit down. Yeah, so it's definitely smaller. I think that gives you a good look at how this is, you know. Bottom. And that's I think that's the speaker there. Part speaker. Yeah, this is the left side one, and this is it's got the R and the L here. I think that actually covers it all because there's not much really to show. It's just this part here. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that very quick video of me like unboxing this AirPods, just the standard AirPods third generation. And I hope if you're interested in seeing more videos from me in the future, you can hit the subscribe button as well. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you soon.